Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting a closer look at a legend reborn, the all-new 2025 BMW M8 Competition Facelift. This isn't your average luxury car, it's a head-turning masterpiece that blends heart-pounding performance with drop-dead gorgeous looks. So gearheads and luxury enthusiasts alike, buckle up. Design elements, a modern update on a classic. Let's start with what grabs you first, the M8's stunning exterior. The iconic BMW kidney grille gets a modern update, flanked by sleek, sharp headlights. The sculpted hood hints at the power lurking beneath, while flowing lines along the body create a sense of dynamic movement. It's like a coiled cheetah, ready to pounce. In the back, we see a redesigned look with new taillights that echo the aggressive presence of the front. Don't miss the subtle spoiler, a tasteful reminder that this is a car built for speed. There are even rumors of exciting new paint options, so you can truly personalize your M8. Interior luxury meets performance. Now, slip inside the M8 and prepare to be wowed. The interior is a luxurious haven designed for the driver. High-quality materials and expert craftsmanship scream luxury, while the driver-focused cockpit puts everything you need at your fingertips. Imagine yourself nestled into supportive M-bucket seats that hug you through corners. A fully digital instrument cluster with customizable displays keeps you informed, while a massive head-up display projects vital information onto the windshield, minimizing distractions. Let's not forget the state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen, perfect for controlling everything from navigation to your music. Under the hood, unleashing the power. But the true magic of the M8 lies under the hood. This beast is rumored to be packing a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine, unleashing a staggering 617 horsepower. We're talking a 0 to 60 time of a blistering 3.0 seconds. Buckle up tight. However, the M8 isn't just about brute force. It's meticulously tuned to deliver a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking a winding mountain road, the M8 feels planted and confident. This is thanks to an advanced all-wheel drive system and a sophisticated suspension setup that work together for exceptional handling and grip. Why choose the M8? So what makes the 2025 M8 Competition Facelift stand out? Here are some key features. Breathtaking design that turns heads wherever you go. Unmatched performance for those who crave raw power. Luxurious and driver-focused interior that pampers you on every ride. Advanced technology to keep you connected and informed. Multiple driving modes to tailor the M8 to your needs and mood. The ultimate driving machine. The 2025 BMW M8 Competition Facelift isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a symbol of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, the M8 is a serious contender. But be warned, this beast is not for the faint of heart. It's for those who crave the thrill of the open road and the satisfaction of commanding a truly remarkable machine. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 BMW M8 Competition Facelift. What are your thoughts on this ultimate driving machine? Let us know in the comments below.